My DJI Osmo Pocket 2 battery has reached the end of its life. It can no longer hold much power. Normally, the options are either to throw it away or replace the battery myself, because I don't think we can easily find a shop that offers battery replacements. And even if they do, the cost would be high and may not be worth it.
Fortunately, I found a product that helps me save both time and money. The Smatree Portable Osmo Pocket 2 battery grip, also known as a power stick, has a large capacity of 5000 mAh and can easily attach to the existing Pocket 2. There is no need to pry open and replace the internal battery.
The installation is very simple, just attach it easily. It also comes with a power button that can be turned on or off. Due to its large capacity, it does take up more space, so it's not the smallest accessory. However, the battery grip also doubles as a handle. It does not have a built-in tripod, but it features a standard 1/4-inch screw port at the bottom for tripod attachment.
The USB-C charging port is on the side and remains accessible when the Pocket 2 is mounted. However, the grip does not have any output ports, so it cannot charge other devices.
If you own a DJI Osmo Pocket 2 or Pocket 1 and its battery capacity is no longer at its prime, this battery grip can extend the runtime of your Pocket 2 beyond the original battery's limitations. I'm really happy with this product.